Sir, can you please look here for a second? So you're?
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a short fall for the cover. But before we move on to that, would you like to share your experience that you had with the shoot and the editorial team, that the look that it put forward for you?
This is my second stint with Man's World. It's always a pleasure shooting with them, and they are high on style and high on comfort, which is amazing. Last time around, it was almost like a topless cover, but this time, this time we have the clothes on, and it's less of beard. And the best part of Man's World is that it's high on style and it's high on comfort for sure.
You yourself, of course, has a very contemporary and a cool style yourself. Okay, as you walked in, I'm sure you saw the collection. And is there any preference that you have? And if I had to ask you to pick something from the season, what would that be and why?
The shirt that I'm wearing right now is a Benetton shirt. So yeah, I like the color blocking. It's pretty cool, goes with my suit, and it looks really good.
Okay, awesome. Any fond memories that you might have of the brand? Anything that makes you nostalgic? Or
definitely, I think this is one of the better international brands we had back in the day, and my wardrobe was full of them in that time.
Mine too.
In college and university. All the new collection of the t-shirts and everything, I used to have that in my wardrobe.
Alright, great. Alright, could I please request Pablo Chatterjee, the managing editor of Man's World, to please come on stage. Right. Pablo, welcome.
Thank you.
What do you think of Ayushman's look, which is on the cover? And also, what do you think about the concept that the entire team put together?
So the thing is that at Man's World we try and portray fashion in as contemporary manner as possible. And really, I don't think there could have been anyone else other than this gentleman standing here to pull off that look. It's smart, it's contemporary, it's just a little edgy, but it's something that everyone can wear, and really pull it off with such panache and flair that we really like.
And would you say personally, on like a personal note, that the theme and the storytelling is coming out?
Absolutely. The idea that we had in mind was a fun, a fun shoot that was full of energy, full of zest. And again, I mean, look at the guy. He's got.
Don't we all agree?
He's got a smile that would, light up a whole house.
Absolutely.
And if you look,
we could have all the lights off,
shoot,
guys.
if you look at the shoot, which you will shortly, you will see that every single frame he's literally lit it up. And we're really happy with the way it went. He's really one of the most down to earth and really easy to work with cover stars that we really ever work with.
That's why I mentioned the word comfort. You're always comfortable shooting with Man's World. It's so chill.
That's true.
We totally agree with that. Alright, so moving on, I guess we should just move to the most exciting part of the evening, as we should unveil the cover now. Let's do the honors that we've been hearing about for so long, so please go ahead.
We should, yes. After you.
Alright, Pablo, thank you for being here with us, and congratulations once again on your trend-setting cover. Alright, more smiles and happy conversations here, please.
Okay, so Ayushman, what is your go-to outfit for the summer?
For the summer, I think the color reflects your mood.
Still.
Something light, something peaceful. It just reflects the summery attitude that you have in you. Like the suit is quite summery, I think, but it's quite thick as well at the same time. But the color is very summery. So I think you have to wear your mood somehow. If you're feeling radical, if you're feeling crazy about something in life, then you can wear something radical, try something out of the box. If you're feeling simple, you can go out with a blue jeans and a white t-shirt as well. So I think it reflects your mood. That's about it.
Alright. Anyone else? What would you recommend wearing on a date? Tough one.
Where is this person?
There,
Hi.
she's hiding there.
Why do you have to wear anything on a date?
Extra points for that.
The thing is, it really depends, I think. If you, I'm a very t-shirt and pajama kind of a person. For me, date is like on the terrace, a t-shirt and pajamas, and that's a perfect date for me. I'm not a formal dater, like formal in the sense, you don't have to be like really formal. I don't believe in that, because day in and day out, you are just wearing clothes as an actor. So I think when you go out for a date, keep it as chilled out and casual as possible.
But what's with the terrace?
Read the cover story for more deets.
Who's next? Anyone with any more questions?
Where are we seeing your next film, Badhai Ho?
Badhai Ho will probably release end of this year, and before that, Shoot the Piano Player will come, and the release date will be getting announced soon. Yeah. And before that, I'll be cutting a single as well very soon. Yeah.
Okay. Anyone else, guys? Alright, so should we move on? I would request the photo op session to start now. We'll start with our some top customers that we have. So we have Ajaz and Chawla to please come on stage for the photo op session. Hi. Please come on. And the Benetton staff, please. Could we have the team first?
Yeah. I think of course as an actor, anybody who's in public eye बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं summer collection या फिर किसी भी season का, but of course looking good is of utmost importance, along with comfort for sure. और ये मेरा दूसरा cover है with Man's World and it's always fun shooting with them. And of course season के साथ साथ आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपके body type क्या है वो है. I think you have to take care of a lot of things. कपड़ों की सिलेक्शन मैं खुद करता हूँ along with my stylist. So और मैं देखता हूँ कि सीज़न क्या है, वेदर क्या है और ओकेजन क्या है, किस ओकेजन पे आप क्या पहन सकते हैं. रेड कार्पेट में फॉर्मल हो जाता है, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स राइट नाउ यू वेयर स्नीकर्स आल्सो विद द फॉर्मल सूट्स. सो राइट नाउ वही तो अभी पहना हुआ मैंने. सो आई थिंक द फैशन हैज बिकम वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल नाउ. तो आप खुद भी अपनी चॉइसेस बना सकते हैं. यू हैव टू बी लिटिल मोर अवेयर अबाउट इंटरनेशनल फैशन सीन्स आल्सो एट द सेम टाइम.
Ashwin, is there any one accessory that you always have on you or carry with yourself? You can't do without?
I think I can't do without my perfume.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's really important for me. I think if you smell right, it just gives you more confidence on the same time.
Do you wear any hats or people carry?
Yeah, of course I have my cap for sure. But of course I wear a cap when I have to go in public somewhere, a hood or a cap and glasses. So I have my patent black cap which I wear every time. Yeah. Yeah, Badhai was an amazing experience with Sania Malhotra. She's a great performer. She's a great dancer as well, along with the actor. And both of us from Delhi. तो दिल्ली में होने की वजह से हम दिल्ली वाली फिल्म शूट कर रहे थे और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. And she's a long way to go. I think she's got amazing potential in her. I think both the characters were so different. Tips की ज़रूरत नहीं थी because she's also acted in one big film called Dangal, and she's done exceptionally well in that. So ऐसा कोई tips की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, but there was a great chemistry on set.
Ashman, you know, when we talk about fashion, रणवीर का नाम काफ़ी आता है. आपको क्या लगता है उनका जो experimentation है, you know, with his style, he's the only actor who has done it. I don't think there's any other who has experimented so much with his fashion. What do you feel? I
think Ranveer is the most energetic actor around, and that reflects in his clothes, his styling as well. Only he can carry it because that's his energy. He wears his energy all the time. Of course, I'm a calmer version, so my styling will be more calm and subtle. So I think it depends on your mood and personality. I think there are a lot of stylish people in Bollywood, from Ranveer to Ranbir and Shahid. I think these three are really good.
Okay. Is there anyone's wardrobe who you want to steal from?
I think it could be a cross between Ranbir and Ranveer. उन दोनों के बीच का कुछ wardrobe होना तो वो मेरा होगा. So it's because my styling is somewhere in between. Yeah. Yeah, let's shoot the piano player. We have to shoot the climax now. We have to shoot for another 5-6 days in London. So that may happen in June.
Guys, last question.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, I'll be performing with Arijit in LA around 18th of May. So I'm really excited about it. It's a huge 3-hour concert with one of the best singers around. So it'll be good fun. Thank you. Thank you so much.